Hello and welcome all in this video. So we are going to discuss about Indian major carps. So we know that there are having four Indian major carps which are cultured in our freshwater ponds. So in that first one that is called as Catla, having a name Catla, Indian major carps. In that first about the Catla, biology about the fish Catla. So this fish, particular fish, which is called as Catla, having popular names in India, that is Catla, Bhakur, etc. Then this Catla distributed in North India, South India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Burma, Sri Lanka. Some of the major characteristics of this particular fish species, which is very popular in Indian rivers, in the ponds and lakes. That is, the body of this organism, of this fish Catla, is oblong, moderately compressed, head broad, eyes situated on lower half. Lower lip thick with continuous transverse fold. Dorsal fin in advance of pelvic fins. Large irregular scales. Scales of lateral line is about 40 to 43. Then body grayish in color on the back, silvery on the sides, and beneath fins darkish and sometimes nearly black. Maximum length is about 1800 millimeter. This does not breed in ponds. Spawn occasionally under controlled condition in special reservoirs, that is called as bunds. That is, the spawning of the Catla takes place in the bunds. Then it reaches sexual maturity when about 55-56 centimeter in length. Spawning period in Upper India from June to September, in South India twice a year during monsoon. Eggs deposited in incubated shallow marginal areas of rivers, and transparent spherical eggs are transparent spherical 2 to 2.2 millimeter in diameter. Embryos hatch out in 10 to 18 hours after fertilization. Larvae and fry collected from rivers, shipped over long distances, and used for stocking ponds and tanks. Larvae and young fry feed on unicellular algae. Fry longer than 20 millimeter feed chiefly on zooplanktons, preferably on protozoans and crustaceans. Adults are surface and column feeder. Particularly, the adult Catla are surface feeder. Adults feed on decayed macrovegetation. Cyanophyceae, chlorophyceae, bacterophyceae, protozoa, rotifera, crustacean, and molluscus. These types of organisms taken by this Catla. It is the fastest growing carp among the indigenous species. It attains a length of about 38 to 45 centimeter at the end of first year. Average weight is about 900 gram. At the end of the second year, the weight is about 4 to 5 kilogram. The fecundity rate is about 80 eggs per gram body weight when it becomes 2-year-old, and weight about 5 kilogram. Annual production in fertile pond is about 1,100 to 2,200 kilogram, and total yield per hectare. This is total yield of per hectare. Reared in Indian ponds and tanks in association with other major carps, they can calmly live in with the other major carps, and so this fish is used as for composite fish culture or polyculture technique. So these are some characteristics of the Catla. In our next video, we will discuss about the next Indian major carps. They are having four main species. Out of that, We have discussed in this video about the Catla type of Indian major carp.